In this video, we are going to show how is the navigation in BruceBEM. By default, we have on the left side this menu. The menu is adapted to the security or permissions for every single user. We will see that in another session. The menu can be collapsed for getting more real estate in the computer screen, or can be showed. When we click in any one of the elements that we want to work with, here I'm going with assets management, and then the very first thing we get is the full list of elements. This list can be visualized in different ways by using the view. View is over here. Every single element has different views, and the views are getting filters plus also layouts. The layouts are grid, where you can see the list of elements and you can organize and let's say order, sort or filter by columns. The list in different than grid is that you can see per lines more than the columns altogether. Also, we have the cards view. That is my favorite one for assets list. And we have the map, where we can visualize the elements by locations, and we can even go directly to the element from here. Finally, we have charts that is giving KPIs that are relevant for the specific element, in that case for assets management. Those are also interactive and can permit visualize more data out of them. Getting back to cards, as I said, my favorite view. The other thing we have is different filters. In that case, we are seeing all kind of active places, but if I want to see only buildings, then it filters only by building. In some cases, we have icons that are telling us about the status of the element. If I go here for equipment, I filter only equipment. When we click on one element, or we can handle with the contextual menu, we can select the item or edit directly in the grid or in the view we are. We can duplicate. We can make a work request in that case because we have already assigned a service provider in this case. Or we can simply click on the element and then we get into the edit form. At the edit form, usually we have in the top what we name the wizard, a menu that permits us to navigate through different areas of information of the element itself. Afterwards, we will come to this collaboration. It's one of the very most essential topics of BruceBEM and Bruce platform in general. And then we have this kind of sections that can be hidden or visualized. And the last thing here is these tabs that are connecting this, in that case, this place, Posca 21st, with other elements of Bruce. In that case, documents and additional information. Linked elements, in that case, we can see service contracts, planned works, cost, etc. Or other linked assets, if we have, that should be part of one system, or had meters, or belonged hosted assets. We have always this option of creating new element, in that case, new asset, and then we can visualize in this way the window, or maximized, just filling those elements with the asterisk are required, and in some cases we have these elements that requires a normalized list. We have to select from, in that case, from a parent asset, or in that case from an asset type. We can select and say that this is a building. We can save the element and it will not ask anything else because there's no more mandatory fields, but it will open again because it permits us right now to aggregate documents or aggregate linked elements or anything like is needed.